Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so Nikki Tutorials just put out this new challenge. It's like the Google Picks My Makeup challenge where you type in the first and last initial of your name. So I would type in CP and the word look, and whatever image comes up, that's what you'll use to pick like your makeup colors. And so I'm going to put the picture in the screen up here. And in the picture, I used like the two shades of blue off the jacket. So one's like a more bluer green, like a deep blue green, and one is more like a navy blue. And then I picked from the picture frame. You can see like the little bit of like almost lime greenish color, pastel green around the picture frame. I use that. And then for my blush, I use like the floral arrangement in the picture, like in the picture frame. And that's more of like a peachy blush, and so that's kind of my inspiration for this. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just go ahead and keep watching.
Okay, I'm first packing the shade Sure Thing by Makeup Geek on the inner third of the eye. I'm basically bringing it all into the inner corner, all onto the lid, close to the brow, just filling that whole area in. And now I'm going to the outer third of the eye with the shade Nautica by Makeup Geek. And I'm just basically smoothing that over the outer third of the eye and just lightly blending it in. And then I'm going into the shade Shark Bait by Makeup Geek, and I'm just patting that into the center of the eye and just like kind of blending it all together, but not over blending. Now, I don't want to go in with a color on top because I don't want to lose any of my colors. So I just take a clean brush and just smooth it out as much as I can. Okay, now I'm going in with a blue eye pencil. You can just use whatever like bluish gray pencil you have. And I'm just tight lining the upper waterline so you won't be able to see the lash band. And then I'm doing the same thing on the bottom, and I'm smoking it out a little bit on the bottom, putting it in the waterline and kind of bringing it out to like the skin and trying to color in all that. And then I'm going in with a Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and just putting a light coat on there before I put the like Ardell natural lashes on. And then I'm going back in with the shade Nautica because I can kind of see some skin showing through. So I just want to pack that in where I put the eye pencil and just try to fill in that area because I don't like for skin to show through. It's a struggle sometimes, but you'll get there. It just takes forever to fill that skin in. Okay, now I'm going back in with the first shade and I'm just lightly putting that under the dark blue just to make sure it's not too harsh underneath the eye. All right, now I'm going to put some mascara on my lower lashes. This is the MAC Giga Black Lash Mascara, and it's just so perfect for the lower lashes because it doesn't get everywhere and it doesn't touch the skin underneath. So that's kind of like my go-to for lower lashes. Okay, so that is all my eye makeup. I'm going to go ahead and apply the rest of my face makeup, and I will be right back.
Alright guys, so thank you so much for stopping by and watching. I never do challenges, so I said I'll just do this one because it seemed kind of fun. But if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm getting very close to 1,500 and it's going by so fast. And so I'm just grateful for all the support, and I can't wait to give that big box away. So thank you guys for subscribing and continuing to watch. Alright, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.